Good morning children. Today we are going to see the addition and subtraction of time. How to add and subtract the time. Okay, now when you do the addition and subtraction, how we did in measurement, no? Metric measurement we did, no? Suppose if it is in meter and centimeter, we arrange the meter in one column and centimeter in one column, we did it. The same way here, you have to see the time what is given, whether it is given hours or minutes or seconds. You arrange the hours in hours, minutes in minutes and seconds in seconds. In each other's column, no? The same columns you arrange the numbers. Then after arranging, you can add it. But when you add, this is ordinary way of adding. But when you borrow, otherwise when you are carrying over, you will be carrying or borrowing 60. Always, okay. From now seconds, from seconds, when you carry, you will carry 60, not 10. Okay, not 10. And same way if you are borrowing, you will borrow from minutes only you will borrow. So when you borrow from minutes, 1 minute you are borrowing. But 1 minute when it comes to the seconds, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So it will become 60 seconds. So you will borrow and you will carry over 60. Okay, so when I do then you will know. Now you may not understand when I say it like clearly. Okay, now this is hours and minutes. Okay, so this is one measurement and this is one time and this is one time. This is not separate. 4 hours and 30 minutes are not separate. Both are one time. Okay, this is one time. So this two we have to add. Both are in hours and minutes. So let's arrange them in the column of hours and minutes. Here 4 hours and here 35 minutes. And here 2 hours and here 15 minutes. So let's add this one. Okay, now 5 plus 5, 10. You will carry here 1. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Listen, you may think here you have carried 1. You told 60, why you are carrying 1. It is when you, in the minutes when you carry, it will be as usual. But from minute to hours, otherwise from seconds to minutes, that time only it is 60. Okay, from one unit to another unit when you carry, that time only it is 60. But inside the same unit when you carry, it will be as ordinary how we are carrying the same way only. Okay, now we have got here 50 minutes. So it is not at 1 hour. No, 1 hour means you need 60. So if when you add and get the answer is more than 60, otherwise more than 60, then you have to convert it into hours. If it is less than 60, you can leave it as it is. Okay, now 4 plus 2, 6. So now the answer is 6 hours and 50 minutes. Now let's see the different sum where we need to carry. Now let's see the sum with the carry over. Okay, now here 7 hours 40 minutes, 5 hours 20 minutes. 7 hours and 40 minutes. Again here 5 hours 25 minutes. Okay, let's add now. 0 plus 5, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. Listen here, it is 65. 65, it is more than 60. So when it is more than 60, you have to convert. Okay, how to convert? You have to you write this one as this is 60 minutes. You can write it this one like 60 minutes is 1 hour, isn't it? So 60 remaining how many minutes? If you take from here 60 and remaining how many will remain? 5 minutes. 60 plus 5 only 65. No? So 60 is 1 hour. So this will be 1 hour plus 5 minutes. 1 hour plus 5 minutes and this 1 hour we will carry here. This 1 hour we will carry here. Okay, so now after carrying, now let us add it. Okay, here only 5 minutes is there. This 1 hour we have carried now. Only 5 minutes is left here. Okay, so 5 minutes. So now if you add 1 here, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. So 13 hours. So the answer is 13 hours 5 minutes. 13 hours 5 minutes. Otherwise, in some carrying here also you can write in plus 1. This 1 here carrying it here plus 1. Actually here you will get 7 plus 5, 12 you will get. So 12 plus 1, 13. That way also you can write. Okay, it is up to you how you want to write. Okay, carrying or without carrying. Without carrying, after down here you can write it. That way also you can write. Okay, let's see now the seconds. Seconds also, adding seconds. Now you see in this sum hours, minutes and seconds. 3 units are there. So we will arrange them in 3 columns. Okay, hours, minutes and seconds. So here and is there. Okay, so before comma, this all together one time, and then after and this all together another time. Okay, now here 3 hours is there, so arrange 3 direct to hours. Again 9 minutes, you write here 9, but 9 seconds should be always 2 digits. So here only 1 digit is there, one more digit you need, so you can put 0 in front, not at the back. And here 15 seconds. Okay, now next here 9 hours. Hours can be any how many digits also, there is no problem. Again 20 minutes, so it has 2 digits, so no problem. Again here 45 seconds. Okay, now let's add it now. 5 plus 5, 10, carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6. It is having 60. Here it should be less than 60. In minutes and seconds, always it should be less than 60. Okay, since it is having more than, no, it is 60. 60 or more than 60 it will convert. Okay, so you can convert. This is 60 seconds. So 60 seconds is equal to what? 1 minute. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. This is equal to 1 minute. So this 1 minute you can carry here now. Okay, this 60 only you will carry here as 1. Okay, so this 60 is carried as a 1 minute here. So now we will add it here. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 0, 10 only. So 0 you will put here, 1 you will carry here. 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, this is less than 60, so you can leave it, no problem. Now 3 plus 9, 12. That's all. So the answer is 12 hours, 30 minutes. And here, this is already we have converted, there is no seconds. Okay, so 0 seconds. 0 seconds. Okay, 12 hours, 30 minutes and 0 seconds. This is the answer. Okay, now let's see subtraction. Now here, you see here, there is no comma. Okay, but this from word only say the difference between the differentiate the time. This is 1 time and this is 1 time. Okay, so and this time is now hours and minutes. So this also hours and minutes. So we will arrange them in the column of hours and minutes. And next one we have to be careful. We have to write the value. This is subtraction. So we have to write the bigger number first. Okay, you see the higher units, no? So here in hours and minutes, which is higher? Hours is higher. Okay, so in this higher you compare. Here 5 hours, here 10 hours. So 5 and 10 hours, which is big? 10 hours is big. So this number we will write it first. Otherwise, you can see the word. You look at the word from. So if from is given, after this, what is given? That only how to write first in subtraction. After the word from, what is given next, that only how to write first. So here 10 hours and 8 minutes, so that we will write it on the top. 10 hours and 8 minutes. So minutes should be 2 digits, so we will write one more digit, so 0 here. Okay, and most after all I am telling you this one, write the bigger numbers up. Most of the time I can find that when you are writing, what is given first, you are writing first. Subtraction, be careful, you write the bigger number first always. In division also. Write the bigger number always. Okay, now it is a subtraction. You write the next number. It is 5 hours and 33 minutes. So let's minus now. Listen here. You cannot minus now here. It is 8 minutes and here 33 minutes. So 8 and 33. This is small and this is big. You cannot minus. So you have to borrow from here. So from 10 hours you will borrow 1. So after borrowing, here only 9 hours will be remaining. So that 1 hour borrowed will come here. So 1 hour is how many minutes? 60 minutes. So here it will become 60. Okay, it won't become 10 here. It will become 60 because 1 hour you are borrowing, and when it comes to the minutes, it will become 60. So already we have 8, no? So that 8 minutes also you have to add it here. So 60 plus 8, it will be 68 minutes. 60 plus 8, it will be 68 minutes. So from this 68, you will minus this 33. Okay, now I am making it another column. Since we have borrowed, then the same way if you do, then you will be confused. So after I borrowed one, I have added and written here. Now let's minus here. Okay, this one, this column I will leave it and I am writing here now. Now let's minus here. 8 minus 3, 5. 6 minus 3, 3. Okay, now 35 minutes. Okay, now we have already borrowed and remaining 9 hours. 9 minus 5, 4. So the answer is 4 hours and 35 minutes. Okay, remember when you borrow, it will become 60 here. And how many minutes are already here? That you add it with the borrowed from minute to second if you borrow also, it is the same way. Okay, so this is a way. Be careful and do minute and this one time addition and subtraction little bit. When it is coming borrowing and carrying over, it will confuse you. Thank you.